Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another PC tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of your wheel on your mouse. If you have trouble with your mouse wheel, and this is the video you have to see. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to the search option here. Here type control panel and click your control panel here. And now on top select large icons here, and here find the mouse option. You can see the mouse option here. Just click here, and this is the mouse option. First of all, you need to see if this cursor is if this cursor is closer to the slow one. You need to make it closer to the first one, but mine is closer to fast, so that is not a problem. Now go to your wheel option here on top of it, and here you can see the vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling option. The default is 3, but if you have trouble with your wheel in your mouse, just make it between 5 to 7. Just make it 5, and also make it 5 here, and see, and click OK, and then apply, and see if your mouse wheel is working correctly. If not, then change it again, and after changing it 2 or 3 times as you like, if you are satisfied with your wheel, then you can keep that option, keep that number here. But mine is good in 3, so I'm gonna keep it as 3 here, and just click OK, and in this way you can fix your mouse wheel problem. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.